Hello, my name is Leslie Vanessa Lopez Juris. My question is, how did you hear about the position open with our company here? Okay. Well, when I heard about the opportunity of change location and moving from one physical location to another, I thought about making a career as well, and I was studying with my means, interest and passion, and I love being outside. I love doing outdoor activities, and I love working with people. When I was looking online, I found this website and that there were positions available in this city. I saw I was able. Thank you.